Cold air bites the glass, my exhaust a pale ghost, another layer falling fast against the window frost. I hum a steady beat, keeping this small space from freeze, but no one feels my heat, lost among the barren trees. Little flakes begin to ask, when will your heart give way? Will you break your metal mask and surrender to the grave? Quiet snow, borrowed engine, I'm the only one thing that you can leave. Quiet snow, borrowed engine, this slow surrender, I believe it's all you'll ever need. Wipers carve a weary line, then stop in frozen arcs, footprints in the white design, fading after dark. A distant truck's slow hum doesn't stop to take a glance, my steady rhythm's numb, lost in this white trance. Little flakes begin to ask, when will your heart give way? Will you break your metal mask and surrender to the grave? Quiet snow, borrowed engine, I'm the only warm thing that you can leave. Quiet snow, borrowed engine, this slow surrender, I believe it's all you'll ever need. Pools of milk begin to gleam, reflecting dashboard light, then refreeze a silent dream, a rear-rim the night. My steady pulse begins to choke, a rattle in my chest, this fragile warmth, it finally broke, putting me to test.